Open source software is great. The code is readily available. People can edit it, but you know what else it does? It allows people to use it. More specifically, governments, software developers, website hosters. So what happens when there's a vulnerability? Well, on Friday, Log4Shell got unleashed in the world, and it's breaking the internet. So let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Chris Burns from Techie Gurus, and welcome back. So we're going to play a word association game. LinkedIn, Tesla, Apple, Twitter, VMware, Minecraft. I'm sure you know a kid that plays Minecraft. What do these all have in common? Well, on Friday, something called Log4Shell got unleashed on the internet, and mass panic has ensued since. It's so bad that CISA, the FBI, international agencies are freaking out, and for good reason. Log4Shell details how to exploit Log4j. Now, what does that mean to you? Probably nothing, but for the internet, it's really, really bad. So see, on the internet, a lot of people use Apache software. Log4j is used to log errors specifically for Java. Now, historically on our PCs anymore, we don't use Java. We've moved on from that, but web servers still do. And this is really bad. It is super easy to exploit. I'm talking, you don't have to be that much of a hacker to exploit this. And what can you do? You can get a server to run arbitrary code. That's bad. That means you can take over a web server. So all those companies I mentioned, they're all affected. And thousands more. So you're probably going to get updates, emails, things like that from vendors saying, hey, you know what? We're affected by this, but we've put this in place. We've mitigated it by doing this. And then there's going to be some that are really lazy and they don't. They don't send out updates. They don't fix it right away. Those are the ones we need to be scared of. Now, Apache has already fixed Log4j, so there is an update that software teams can implement and fix it, but sometimes it's not that easy. Sometimes it takes months to actually fix that. It could take weeks to fix that. It depends on how big their team is, how dedicated they are to getting it fixed. There are mitigations you can put in. I won't really go into it too much here, but there are things called WAFs or web application firewalls that they can put in place in front of their web server to kind of protect against that, block that attack. There's ways to put in IPS signatures, so intrusion prevention, that can actually detect that being exploited. It's bad. It's really bad. You're going to see it on the news. You're going to see it everywhere. It's got to be fixed. It's got to be fixed now. So for our customers, we are scanning your networks. We are looking for anything in there that can be affected by this, and we will patch it as second a patch is available. My team is here to do that. We also have our Security Operations Center, our SOC, looking at it, looking at indicators of compromise, or IOCs, and making sure that our customers are safe. And you know what? Everybody should be doing this. This is why cybersecurity matters, for situations like this. Yes, things happen every single day, account takeovers, business email compromise, but this is catastrophic to the internet. This is catastrophic to what people do and use. And big companies, like I said, are going to fix this really quickly. They are. They have thousands of people they can just throw at this and fix it. So be aware of this. You'll probably hear more from it. We'll probably have an email that goes out. We'll probably post something else. I just wanted to kind of get this video out there to let you know what's going on. I'll drop a link below with some news and information on it. But I'm Chris Burns from Techie Gurus. Until next time, stay cyber safe.